friends, welcome back to Let's Learn and Grow Together. Today we are going to see how the orientation of the pyramids in development of pyramids change the solutions. Okay, so many of the students, they have asked me or sent me the solution which was wrong because of the orientation, and it works something like this. See here. So for the understanding purpose, I have drawn this square pyramid and also made the square pyramid. So in the first position, first of all, let us read the question. It is like, develop the lateral surface of square pyramid of base side 25 mm and axis height 50 mm if it is cut by AIP, auxiliary inclined plane, at 40 degree passing through center of axis. Okay, so the first thing that we have did this solution we already seen in the previous lectures. So it was like this. We have drawn this square in the diamond shape, then its front view, then we have drawn this sector, then we have cut the we have taken the base edge in the compass, and then we have go on cutting these four equal parts, and then we have completed the development. All these things are there, but many students, what they do, they put the top view, they draw the top view like this. If the orientation is like this, that means the orientation, if it is like the one shown in the red color, okay, if the orientation is like this, its front is going to be like this. And if you try to develop this part, that means if you take your compass and then if you draw a arc like this from this point, and then if you complete the whole solution, then the solution will be totally wrong. Why? Because the length, this length you are going to see, you are going to get is not true, but this length is true. Why it is so? Because the top view of this edge is parallel to xy. See here, this edge is parallel to xy, but this top view of this red edge is not parallel to xy, it is inclined to xy. So that's why that length is not true. And in order to do it correctly, what you need to do is you have to change the orientation like this. Okay, so otherwise there is another method to do this, to solve this problem in this orientation only. What you have to do is you have to take the compass, put your compass here, and you just need to take your compass, and then you have to do one thing. Put your compass here and draw a arc starting from this point up to the horizontal line. Okay, now if you join if you turn this edge up to the horizontal, and then if you project it, you are going to end up at the same position, and finally you need to join this point with the apex, so you will get the true length here, and then you can complete the development of lateral surface of this pyramid. So try to understand, in this position you are going to see the true length of these edges, and in this position the length which is visible, length of the edges visible in the front view are apparent edges, and in that case you need to turn the edges I am saying edges in top view, and then project it, turn and project, turn and project, and then only you have to join it with apex, and then do the development part. Thank you for watching it. Please do like and subscribe.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.